Hey everybody, Andy Nelson. So if I say the word Aramis, what do you think of? I'm gonna guess some of you probably thought of, I think it's a perfume or it's a cologne, one of the two. But what if I say, how about Athos, Porthos, D'Artagnan? Okay, yeah, all right. Everybody's starting to think Musketeers, Musketeers. You've seen, the old Charlie Sheen, Kiefer Sutherland version, or you've seen some of the older versions, from the 50s. Or there was even a cartoon that I watched in the 70s. I'd like to see it again. I don't know where that is or where it came from. But and then there's a recent BBC-like series, it was a takeoff on the Musketeers, the original story. And there were 3 seasons, I think, of that series that I watched. And that was pretty good. So my point is, hey, you know what? Some of these old properties may have a lot of current value. And if you're a creative, whether you write screenplays or novels or poems or you paint, whatever, you draw, I don't know, sculpt maybe. Some of these older properties may have current value and you could be very well free to do it without any restrictions because those old properties are in the public domain, right? Three Musketeers and kind of the related novels, those were all written, I think, in the early 1800s, right? So maybe even earlier, I'm not sure, I gotta check. At any rate, they're in the public domain. Anybody can take those and adapt them. Heck, you can reprint the original book if you want. You can do that. But if you come up with something, and the source material is endless, right? Yeah, there's more material created every single year now, probably than every combined year or every year combined prior to it. But even going back in the 1800s, let's say you want to take Mary Shelley's Frankenstein and come out with a new book or, something, what happens next or whatever it is. All that material is in the public domain and you're free to use it. Contrast that with, say, Harry Potter, right? Or something or the Star Wars trilogy or something like that. Those are recent properties. That is all going to be protected by copyright still, and it's not going to be gone for a long time. So don't even think about those ones without licenses or permissions. But some of these older properties, and don't get me wrong, if you're looking at one, you're going to have to analyze it. If it's before 1900, you're going to be in the clear. No worries about that. But if it's something more recent than that, you're going to have to look at it to see specifically whether there's any remaining copyright protection for it or potentially add-on elements. Some of these properties, as we know them today, some of the original content may be out of copyright, but there may have been additions along the way. New material added, and that could still be covered by copyright. And so you could fall into a trap where you may adapt something that actually is still, or you may, take something that is still protected by copyright. You do not want to go there. So you want to analyze what you're going to use. But the point is, there is a lot of material out there for us, for you creatives to grab onto that still has current value today, right? We all look back at older properties, old things, old stories, old artwork, whatever, and we like to see it in its original form. We like to see it refreshed. We like to see it updated. We'd like to see it adapted. So, so think about that. Legally, add the legal element here. Those older things, you're going to be in the clear. There's just not going to be copyright protection for those items. No, nobody you got to seek permission from, license from, that sort of thing. It reduces a lot of headaches, right? So, at any rate, if it's old, if it's before 1900, you're going to be in the clear. If it's after 1900, actually even a little bit later, but let's just make it easy, 1900 and beyond, or more recent, you want to take a deeper dive with a professional to make sure that you are in the clear if you want to use it somehow, adapt it somehow, or whether you're going to need to seek permissions from somebody. Anyway, that is it. If you have any questions about this video, drop a comment below, shoot me a note. And if you think somebody would benefit from the contents of this video, please feel free to share it. So until the next one, have a good one.